Welcome to my new video. Question bank from textbook solved. Think as you read. Question number first है What is Sahib looking for in the garage dumps? Where is he and where has he come from? Answer है Sahib is looking for gold in the garage dumps. He is in the neighborhood of the author. Sahib has come from Bangladesh. He came with his mother in 1971. His house was set amidst and green fields of Dhaka. Storms swept away their fields and homes, so they left the country. Question number second है What explanation does the author offer for the children not wearing footwear? One explanation offered by the author is that is a tradition of stay barefoot. It is not lack of money. He wonders. He wonders of if this is only an excuse to explain away or a perpetual state of poverty. He also remembered the story of a poor body who prayed to goddess for a pair of shoes. Question number 3 है Is happy working at the tea stall? Explain. Is Sahib happy working at the tea stall? Explain. No, Sahib is not happy working at the tea stall. He is no longer his own master. His face has lost a carefree look. The steel canister seems heavier than the plastic bag he would carry so lightly over his shoulder. The bag was his. The canister belongs to the man who owns the tea shop. Think as you read. Question number first है What makes the city of Firozabad famous? The city of Firozabad is famous for its bangles. Every other family in Firozabad is engaged in making bangles. It is the center of India's glass blowing industry. Families have spent generations working around foreigns welding glass, making bangles for the women in the land. Question number second mention the hazard of working in the glass blowing industry. Answer है boys and girls with their fathers and mother sit in dark hutments next to lines of flames of flickering oil lamps. They filled pieces of colored glass into circles of bangles. Their eyes are more adjusted to the dark than the light outside. They often end up losing eyesight before they become adults. Even the dust from polishing the glass of bangles is injurious to eyes. Many workers have become blind. The persons have very high temperature and therefore very dangerous. Question number third है how is Mukesh attitude to his situation different from that of his family? Answer है Mukesh grandmother think that the God given language can never be broken her. So and grandsons are boom in the cast of Bengal maker. They have seen nothing but bangles. Mukesh's father has taught them what knows the art of making bangles, but Mukesh wants to be a motor mechanic. He will go to a garage and learn through the garage is far away from his home. Understanding the test of question number first of what could be some of the reason for the migration of people from village to cities. इसका आंसर है पीपल मिग्रेट फ्रॉम विलेज टू cities in search of livelihood. Their field fail to provide them means to survival. Cities provide employment, job, and other means of getting food. The problem in case of the poor is to feed to hungry members. Survival is of primary concern. Question number second है Would you agree that promises made to the poor children are rarely kept? Why do you think is this happens in the incidents narrated in the text? Answer है the promises made to the poor are Rarely kept, the author asks Saheb, half joking, whether he will come to her school if she starts. One Saheb agrees to do so. A few days later, he asks if the school is ready. The writer feels embarrassed at having made a promise that was not meant. Promises like her us abound in every corner of their bleak world. Question number third है what process conspired to keep the workers in Bengal industry of Firozabad in poverty. Certain forces conspired to keep the worker in Bengal industry of Firozabad in poverty. This include the moneylenders, the middlemen, the policemen, the keepers of law, the bureau- bureaucrats, and the politicians. Together, they impose a heavy burden on the child. इसके बाद think about the test. Question number first. How in your opinion can Mukesh realize his dream? Mukesh is the son of a poor Bengal maker of Firozabad. Most of the young men of Firozabad have no intuitive of ability to dream, but Mukesh in us expectation. He has the capacity to take courage and break from the tradition family occupation. He has strong willpower also. He does not want to be a pawn in the hands of the middleman or moneylenders. He insists on being his own master by becoming a motor mechanic. He can realize his dream by joining a garage and learn the job of repairing cars and driving them. He will have to overcome many hurdles before he succeeds. Then comes transport problem. Money is the first one. He will have to earn some money himself. The garage is a long way from his home. He will have to cover. Question number third है why should child labor be eliminated and how? Answer है child labor should be eliminated because the children employed at tender age as domestic servants, dishwashers and roadside dhabas and in hazardous industries making glass bangles, bricks, crackers, etc. lose the charm of the spring of their life. Their childhood is stolen, burdened by the responsibility of work. They become adult too soon. Most of them are undersigned, ill-fed, uneducated and poor. They have a stunned growth. फिर है मोर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व मतलब एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन आपको दिए जा रहे हैं, आप इनमें से क्वेश्चन याद कर लीजिए। 100% ये परीक्षा में यहीं से क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है हु वाज साहेब, व्हाट वाज ही डूइंग एंड व्हाई? साहेब वाज यंग बॉय ऑफ स्कूल गोइंग एज। साहेब एक जवान लड़का था जो स्कूल जाने की उम्र का था। ही वाज लुकिंग फॉर गोल्ड इन द गैरेजडम्स ऑफ द बिग सिटी। वह कचरे के कूड़ेदान मतलब कचरे के डूंगे में वह गोल्ड की तलाश कर रहा था एक बड़ी सी सिटी में। ही हैड लेफ्ट हिज होम इन ढाका। उसने अपना गृह त्याग कर दिया था ढाका से जो बांग्लादेश एंड कम टू द बिग सिटी इन सर्च ऑफ लिविंग। जीवन की तलाश में बिग सिटी मतलब बड़ी सी सिटी में आ चुका था। ही हैज़ नथिंग एल्स टू डू बट पिग रैक्स। ठीक, इसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ साहेब्स फुल नेम? साहेब के नेम की क्या मीनिंग थी? डज ही नो इट? हाउ डज ही कंडक्ट हिमसेल्फ? हिज फुल नेम इज साहेब आलम। इट मीन्स टू लॉर्ड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स। ही डज नॉट नो इट। इफ ही न्यू इट ही वुड हार्डली बिलीव इट। ही रोम्स and strays barefoot with other rag pickers. This army are foot. Boys appears in the morning and disappears at noon. ये IMP नहीं वाला क्वेश्चन। इसके बाद है सातवां ऑल इंडिया 2014 को क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था। सभी में MP, UP, बिहार, झारखंड सभी में पूछा गया था। तो आपके लिए मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट जॉब डिड साहेब टेक अप? वाज ही हैप्पी? Saheb took up the job at tea stall, but he was not happy with it. He was no longer his own master. His face has lost of the carefree look. Although he earned 800, even then he was not satisfied. So thank you. आज का लेक्चर यहीं समाप्त होता है। अपन इसके बाद डीप वाटर वाला चैप्टर बहुत जल्द आएगा। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।